Thank you, Monsieur. And now the moment we have all been waiting for has finally arrived. The spectacular River Hongbao fireworks will start soon.
Without further delay, may we now invite MOS Dinesh to take the mallet and strike the gong. But wait. At the count of 5 to officially begin tonight's firework display. And can we have the participation of everyone?
Everybody shout together, okay?
Yeah.
Ready?
As you are like getting louder, right? The year will be better for you. It's like how we have got the crowds to go away. So at the count of 5, everyone, let's go.
The countdown starts now. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Fireworks display to mark this special moment. Voila!
Thank you for celebrating this moment with us. We have a lot more performance and festivities lined up after this.
That's right. On behalf of the organizing committee, we'd like to thank MOS Dinesh and Miss Yu for gracing tonight's River Hongbao. Thank you so much. 掌声好不好？让 applause please. Thank you, sir.
May we invite MOS and the entourage to take their leave first. Thank you so much.
是的，再次感谢狄内西周部长还有杨婉玲女士出席今天晚上的春到河畔2026的活动哦。那也请各位观众呢，就是继续留在这里，因为稍后在舞台上我们还有非常精彩的这表演的。
对，我们也要非常感谢我们的舞龙还有舞狮团新加坡1位的体育会。
是的，那这个时候呢，回到这个舞台哈，我们又要有这个精彩的表演了。接下来出场的这位艺人呢，更是多才多艺，而且呢，也曾经在外国的这个舞台呢，就是有过这个表演的，也算是新加坡的骄傲吧。
是在2024年的时候呢，他去到中国参加一场说唱的演出，
对，一个表演哈。这个时候我们掌声欢迎西嘎谢来到舞台上呢，带来2首歌曲，第一首呢是打包，第2首呢是一步一步来，掌声欢迎。